Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is part 2 of the DIY fabric for your photo shoot background. Now, as you guys can see, this is the middle of my living room, and this is not for me. This is only for my dog Denim. So I will be doing my dog's photo shoot for Christmas. Again, this is what it's looking like from the front. Basically, what I have here is my clothing rack. It's metal, and I have it pinned, and I ironed everything out, and everything is just smoothed out just like this. And then with the light on, this is what it really looks like. It looks very clean, and I'm gonna have him be here, and then I also have these fake boxes that I created. If you look at the back, they're half open. You can put that there. You can put this here. Ooh, gotta fix that. See, half open. It's not even closed, but no one's gonna know anything. All we need really is just the boxes. Put that there. Mind you, it's for Denim. So yes, I fixed the boxes just like that, you know. Again, my ring light can go bright. It can go brighter, just like this, or it can go a little bit darker. So this is how it looks from the bottom. And then I also added some pillows, and I also added like his dog treat. Yes. Okay, so I got some of his dog treats, and I just put a little bit in here for the video. I don't want him to OD on cookies right now. And just put a little bit in here to keep him busy, but eventually I will get some of his treats, put it above his head so he can look up at the camera. I have him here, and he sees the treats, and I'm gonna try to take it away from him so that I can lure him to sit in that spot. But here's his ugly sweater. It says ugly sweaters party. Can't even stay still. You waiting for the treats? It's so hard trying to get him to sit there. Look at him. He's ready. He know what it is. Right, Papa? Right? Okay, I'm gonna put it here, and I'm gonna just show you guys what I do. So I put it there. I turn him around a little bit, just so you guys can see what he's eating. And then I would just take the picture like this, and I zoom in like this. Papa! Just like that. And that's it, guys. These are the photos of Denim. Let me know what you guys think about the photo shoot and his little outfit in the comments. And again, now it's my chance to actually go in, edit, make the photos with more contrast, add some snow, write happy holidays, and etc. And again, thank you guys for watching another Vlogmas with Anita Rivers, and I'll see you guys next time. Mwah.